Meaning of handbell.
handbell,
Handbell.
handbell,
Handbell. A handbell is a musical instrument that is typically made of cast bronze or brass and is used by ringing it with a handheld clapper. The sound produced by the handbell is clear and pure, and it is often used in various musical arrangements. Handbells come in different sizes and pitches, and they can be played individually or in an ensemble. In recent years, handbell music has gained popularity as a form of therapeutic and community-building activity. Handbell ensembles are common in churches, schools, and other community organizations where they perform for various events and occasions.